Hello, welcome to this new video. With the introduction of corporate tax in the UAE, one of the most common questions I receive from business owners and accountants is how exactly do we calculate taxable income? Many people believe that it starts with sales revenue, but that is not correct. In today's video, I will explain how to calculate taxable income under UAE Corporate Tax Law step by step, starts with accounting profit, what adjustments are required, and how we finally arrive at corporate tax payable. This is Razia from Entrust Auditors. This video will be useful for business owners, accountants, auditors, and UAE tax students. Let's start with first step. First and most important point is taxable income does not start with sales revenue or sales turnover. As per UAE Corporate Tax Law, taxable income starts with accounting profit prepared under IFRS standard. This is the profit before tax shown in your statement of profit or loss. So, whether you are a small business or a large company, your audited and account statements as per the IFRS form the base for corporate tax calculation. Always remember that accounting profit is the base for taxable income. Once the accounting profit is confirmed, we can move to next step. Step 2 is adding back disallowed expenses or non-deductible expenses. Under UAE corporate tax, not all expenses can be deducted. It clearly specifies that certain expenses fully or partially non-deductible. So let me explain common ones. First, fines and penalties. Any fines, penalties paid to government authorities will not be deducted. Second, entertainment expenses. It is common for such costs, entertainment, amusement or recreation for shareholders, customers, business owners and suppliers such as hospitality at restaurants, cultural events, sporting events, hotel stays and similar trips. Only 50% of these expenses will be deducted. The remaining 50% added back to your accounting profit. Here, one point is to be noted that employee-related entertainment expenditure can be fully deducted. Next expense is donation, gift or grant made to an organization that is not a qualifying public entity. It is not deductible. Expenses related to exempt income. If you have exempt income, then related expenses can be deducted. Next one is related party expenses. If your related party expenses are not paid at arm's length or market value, this will not be deducted. It must be added back to your accounting profit. Now, all these expenses must be added back to your accounting profit. Now, we can next move to step 3. Step 3 is deducting your exempt income. Under UAE Corporate Tax Law, certain income is exempt income. Most common examples are dividends from qualifying shareholders, capital gains from qualifying shareholders. Since these incomes are included in your accounting profit, this can be deducted. Step 4. Other tax adjustment. Now let's talk about other important tax adjustment. First one is capital expenditure. Capital expenditure is not deductible while calculating taxable income. Capital expenditure is any expenditure that creates a long-term benefit to a business. Under UAE Corporate Tax Law, deductible expenses must not be in capital nature. So these must be added back. Second one is general provision. General provisions are not allowed for deduction, while specific provisions may be allowed if they meet certain criteria. Third, unrealized gains or losses. Some fair value of gains or losses recognized in account may need adjustment if the election is based on realization basis. These transactions need adjustment depend on the nature of business and transactions. So professional judgment is very important here. Fourth most important adjustment is net interest expenditure. A company can deduct its interest expense but only up to 30% of its EBITDA. So it must be the lower of 30% of EBITDA or interest expense. Even if your EBITDA is low, tax allows a minimum deduction. That is the higher of 12 million or 30% of EBITDA. Any expense above this amount will not be deducted. It must be added to the accounted profit. Now apply corporate tax rate. 0% on the taxable income of 375,000. That means up to 375,000, it is 0%. And 9% on the taxable income exceeding 375,000. For example, if you earn 600,000 as taxable income, then you will get the deduction up to 375,000. And the excess amount of 225,000, the taxable rate is 9% and the tax payable is 22,050. To summarize all this, taxable income starts with accounting profit. Disallowed expenses must be added back. Exempt income is to be deducted. Any other adjustments are to be made. Finally, we arrive at corporate tax payable. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below if you want more detailed videos on disallowed expenses, exempt income and corporate tax filing in the UAE. And yes, we do have a business and accountants community. You will find everything in the description below if you would like to join. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and stay connected.